EA Sports is proud to present more NFL action. I'm Al Michaels, along with my partner, John Madden.
You have called heads. The Raiders call heads and have won the toss. They choose to receive.
Both teams have taken the field, and let's see what happens now as we're ready for the kickoff. Number 6 is back and ready to put this one in the air. He sends this one toward the end zone. Kirby will return this one. The Raiders take over on offense at the 15. So they have 1st and 10 here.
Set.
On the carry. A little shake and bake. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 9. Loss of 6. Inside their own 20. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Drops back. Gannon passes to his right. Brown just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. The defense really put the pressure on.
Yeah, he felt those guys closing in and gunned the ball out of there.
Third and long. Dime-backs in for this play. He's going to throw. Gannon with the pass. Hits the target with the pass. Great defense to prevent them from getting the first.
You don't run a pattern short of the first down on 3rd down.
About 6 to go. Ball on their own 19.
Set.
They'll go with a pass. And he stopped at the 26-yard line. A fresh set of downs after a nice pickup on the ground.
Hey, nice job up front, holding their block and allowing him to get a good run for a 1st down.
1st and 10.
Set.
Looking to throw. Rolling left. Surveying the field. Wynn reached the quarterback and brought him down. Gannon with split backs. They'll go with a pass. Passing to his left. Hardy with the stop at the 36-yard line. Third and maybe 1. Ball on their own 36. Dropping back. Gannon throws. Picked off. It's intercepted. So they have 1st and 10 here. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel, using motion. Back to pass. Passing right. And he hits his target. He had a quick release on that pass.
So when you talk about precision passing, that's what you mean.
First and 10. Ball on the 21-yard line. The Cowboys using motion. Looking downfield. Surveying the field. Hutchinson throws. Woodson didn't even give the receiver a chance.
The receiver just didn't have good position on it.
Right, 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 21-yard line. Hutchinson sets up. Man in motion. Dropping back. Passes it. Galloway just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. The defender reached him just as he was throwing on that play.
Yeah, he had to get rid of the ball in a hurry.
It's third down, and they have a long way to go. Hutchinson from the shotgun. Man in motion.
Go man, go man.
Quick drop. Throws it out over to the left.
Incomplete pass intended for number 81.
Number 6 and the kicking team come on for this field goal attempt. The kick is up. Splits the uprights and good. So successful drive. When you look at the fact they did get 3 points out.
Not every drive is going to give you a touchdown, so get it through with big. Now they got to go to what worked and what didn't. And the next drive will get them a TD.
He gets the kick away. He receives the kick and starts the field. The last time the offense had the ball, they gave it away on an interception. Let's see what happens this time down the field. 1st and 10. Looking to throw. Passing right. And they're able to connect on that one. Pickup of about 8. Second and about 1. Looking to throw. He's looking. Gannon sends the pass away. Hardy makes the tackle at the 46. Pickup of about 8.
With the owner of a green van, license number 277D55.
It's 1st and 10.
Immediately through Lexor.
The Raiders are in the offset I formation. Quick drop. Gannon lets it fly. Williams couldn't make the catch. Heads up play there to knock it down.
Obviously, this guy thinks he can complete passes that he can't.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 46. They'll go with a pass. Breaks the tackle. Gannon sends the pass away. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 26-yard line. That reception moves the chains, and they picked up a 1st down.
With an arm like that, there isn't a pass that he can't make.
First and 10. The Raiders line up with 2 backs behind the quarterback. Dropping back, gets rid of it. And it's caught. The defense looked like they were expecting something completely different on that play.
The defense has to do a better job of play recognition than that. Nothing makes you look worse than being caught out of position, and the other team taking advantage of going in for the score.
Set.
And it's up. The extra point attempt is good. Well, you can't ask for much more out of a drive that gets you into the end zone.
They did everything they had to on that one, and the end result is a trip across the goal line and a TD on the board.
Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 33 and number 80 to receive.
He kicks it off. Wiley returns this one. The offense goes back out onto the field after picking up a field goal on their last drive. It's 1st and 10.
Set.
They'll go with with a pass. Passes it out to the left. And this pass is complete. A powerful arm display on that pass.
What a throw. He put everything he had into that one.
Second and maybe 3. Ball on their own 43. He's going to throw. Passing to his left. And he dropped it. A good pass, but no catch.
Maybe he heard footsteps.
So they need about 3 here. Ball on their own 43. The Cowboys are in the offset I formation. Running to the right side. Beaker stops him for negative yardage. He was dropped before he could get back to the line.
Yeah, you can't run without good blocking.
A little over 4 to go. Number 31 is back to receive this kick. So he'll try to return this one. Well, the offense is back on the field again. Their last drive, they moved the ball very well, especially through the air on their way to a touchdown. The teams have switched sides, and we'll start the second quarter. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 21. Set. Looking to throw. Throws over to his right. Broken up. Westbrook didn't even let it get to the receiver.
I'm not surprised. That was a tough pass.
Only one man in the backfield. Dropping back. Gannon with the throw. And this pass is completed. Zips that one in there, putting him just over the century mark. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 36. He's looking to pass. Rolling right, passes it. Williams was the intended target. So a big hit in the quarterback forces the incompletion.
I'm not sure how they got through, but the defense really wanted the quarterback.
Second and 10. And the quarterback is dropped. Third down and long coming up here. Set. Drops back with the throw. He dropped it.
Any more of those and he might find himself riding the bench.
Fifth play of this drive. Drops back. Passing right. And it's caught. Breaking free. And he stopped at the 41. He made a quick read and got rid of it in a hurry.
He was either going to catch it or he was going to get knocked out by it.
It's 1st and 10. Looking to throw. Passing to his left. Nice reception. He wraps him up and now has 4 tackles. He rifled it out there.
That guy's always had a great arm. That's something you can't teach.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 18-yard line. He's going to throw. Rolls right. Passing to his right. And the catch is made. Rich Gannon made a perfect pass to the receiver in the end zone.
Looks like everyone bid on that play. To me, it looked like there were about 11 bites.
And so once again, a touchdown pass. And it's on its way. The extra point attempt is good. A good-looking drive, and they score the touchdown. And the offensive unit should be very pleased with their performance on that one.
I think the whole team's happy after that one. They're probably telling their defense to give them the ball back so they can go score again.
Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 33 and number 80 to the seat.
He sends it off. The returner already looking upfield. The Cowboys take over on offense at the 20. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 20. Using split backs. Man in motion. Hands it off. And he's tackled at the 19-yard line. Smith went nowhere, John.
Went nowhere fast.
Right, 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 19. He hands it off. Nice move. And he's brought down at the 26-yard line. And after that carry, the defense will have to very much respect the run if they don't want to see that happen again and again.
Now they got to keep going at it. They can get that defense tired and on its heels. These games will get longer and bigger as the game goes on.
A little over 4 to go. Only one man back. Back to pass. Passes it. Nice connection. The quarterback showed you his great arm on that pass.
This guy can really move. He turns things up 2 or 3 notches when it really counts. That's the kind of thing you love to see as a coach. Guys who have that 2nd and 3rd gear.
He's going to throw. He goes to the left side. Nice reception. He put everything he had behind that throw.
That's one way to make sure your receiver doesn't drop the ball. You throw it so hard that he has to catch it and self-defend. You just put it right on him.
An effective 2-minute drill will give them the opportunity to put some points on the board before the half. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 47. Carter under center. Dropping back. Steps up, looking for an option. They were able to get to the quarterback. 2nd and 15. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. He should have caught that one.
I'm not sure why he dropped that one. The quarterback delivered it right to him.
It's 3rd and long now, and the defense can afford to back off and play it soft. 3rd down and long coming up here. Ball on their own 42.
Gun. Watch the slot.
Drops back, gets the pass off. Galloway just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. Carter with the overthrow.
He's got to be careful with throws like that. There's a good chance of hurting his receiver or throwing a pick.
So the punt team gets ready as we near halftime. Number 31 looks like he's ready for the return. And he'll look for some blocks downfield. And the offense getting ready to come back on the field after a decent return.
You're told to get as much as you can on a return, and that's just what he did. Hey, this is why you run those 2-minute drills in practice for a situation like this. The only difference is this isn't the scout team defense.
The Raiders line up with 2 backs behind the quarterback. Looking to throw. Gannon lets it fly. A great job to break up that tackle.
Nothing will frustrate a receiver more than knocking away his pass.
2nd and 10. Ball on their own 36.
Set.
Looking downfield. With the pass, Porter just couldn't find a way to come up with that one. He tried to lead him a little too much.
And he has to be careful. Not only is that pass off target, but it's also a good way to get your receiver decked.
3rd and 10.
Set. Run back. Watch the middle.
Back to pass. Gets rid of it. That drop pass brings up 4th down.
The only thing worse than dropping a pass is dropping a pass that brings up a 4th down.
Time for a punt here as it's now 4th down. Fourth and 10.
Set.
They'll go with a pass. Gannon throwing it to the left. Williams laid a good hit on him there for his 5th tackle of the game. He pulled the trigger quickly.
As hard as he throws it, he always seems to put the ball right on the receiver's number.
1st and 10. Ball on the 41-yard line. The Raiders are in the offset I formation. Looking downfield. Steps up. Looking for a receiver. Throws over to his right. The defender broke that play up. He just knocked it down.
You know, he did what you're taught to do. And that's take away the ability for the receiver to catch the ball. He can't catch it when you knock it down.
They're just about in field goal range. The Raiders line up with 2 backs behind the quarterback. Looking downfield. Passing right. And he slips out of bounds at the 36-yard line. And he picks up about 4.
The key here is time for the quarterback to throw. If he gets it, the chains will move. If not, incomplete. A great job by the defense.
They need 5. Ball on the 36-yard line.
Set.
Looking downfield. Rolls right. Looking downfield. Looking for a receiver in the middle. Gannon threw it behind the target.
Yeah, and one of the hardest things for a receiver to do is stop and come back.
They need 5. Ball on the 36-yard line. And this is the 7th play of this drive. He's going to throw. Throwing left. Garner was the intended target on that pass attempt. You don't see too many teams going for it the first half of the game, so why the gamble there?
Hey, I don't know. I guess you get in the heat of the battle and you think, hey, these guys can't stop me. But then you get stopped and you give the other team a chance. And if you hadn't got stopped on 3rd down, you wouldn't be on 4th down. They'll probably be playing a soft zone cover, so he should have options underneath if they go with the pass.
Dropping back, stepping up, throws over to his right. The defender broke that play up. That pass was batted away.
Yeah, just stick your hand in there and whap it down. There's only one way that they're going to be able to do something about this score. Keep throwing and getting out of bounds.
So it's 2nd and 10. Ball on their own 36.
Gun. Watch the slots.
Looking to pass. Passing right. Galloway was the intended receiver, and he's unable to hang on to that one.
It's frustrating as a coach when you see a guy make a great one-handed catch and then drop the easy one.
3rd and long. Carter sends a man in motion.
Move over.
He's looking to pass. Tosses it right. Bryant drops it.
There's really no excuse for that. You just have to catch those balls.
Time for a punt here as it's now 4th down. It's 4th down and 10 yards to go. Ball on their own 36. Number 31 will be looking to give his team good field position here. They're trying to move the ball downfield and increase their lead before halftime. So they have 1st and 10 here. Dropping back. Gannon lets it fly. Knocked away. He got his hand in there to knock it down.
He was in a great position to make that play.
Congratulations to the fans sitting in section 10, row 18, seat 4. You've just won a
2nd and 10.
Set.
Steps up into the pocket, looking for a receiver. Goes to the middle. He stopped him there, and according to our numbers, that's tackle number 6 for him.
Here's a spot we're trying to add to the lead before the half can backfire. All it takes is one mistake, and it could be the defense that's scoring. That's why the quarterback has to throw it hard to the sideline so that no one can jump the pass and pick it off.
Drops back. Rolling left. Passing to his left. Number 38 records the stop at the 33. That's the end of the second quarter with the score. Oakland 14. Dallas 3. We'll go back to the play on the field. As they line up to kick it off, we'll take a look at each team's stats through 2 quarters. Number 9 looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 33, deep to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. The Cowboys take over on offense at the 16-yard line. Let's check in with Melissa.
Thanks, Al. The Cowboys coach and his staff are trying to find a way to get their ground game going. We could see some long throws from them to force the defense to play off some more. So look for that strategy, Al.
That was Melissa Stark with her sideline report. And he hits his target. Martin is there for the catch, his first of the game. About 6 to go. Ball on their own 20. Quick drop. Gets the pass off. He hits his receiver. He's out to the 30. And the defender brings him down at the 43-yard line. And so he was able to fire that one to his receiver, converting for a first down.
The quarterback delivered that pass right on the mark. No defense for a perfect pass.
It's 1st and 10. Hutchinson using split backs. They'll go with a pass. Looking for a receiver. Passes it out to the left. The defender broke that play out, so he can't come up.
And nothing is more disheartening to a quarterback than a drop pass.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 43. Hambrick is the deep back, passing to the short option. Nice connection. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 47-yard line. Number 80 makes the catch, his first of the day. Ball at midfield. Drops back. Gets rid of it. Nice completion. And he's stopped at the 37. It helps to have soft hands to bring in a hard throw like that one.
Heck, that guy better count his fingers to make sure they're all there after catching that one.
Number 86 comes in motion. Dropping back. Throwing. And he hits his target. And he's brought down at the 25. Great reception on that play, John.
Looks like someone might have blown their coverage on that one.
So they have 1st and 10 here. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Drops back. Looking for a receiver in the middle. He hits his receiver. He catches the bullet for the 1st down.
It's a good thing he caught it. You don't want to drop those passes for 1st down.
So they have 1st and 10 here. And this is the 7th play of this drive. Bryant comes in motion. Hambrick to carry it. And he's brought down at the 15. He was stopped before he could go anywhere.
Yeah, because those big old defensive linemen pushed those big old offensive linemen backwards.
Down inside the 15. Hutchinson sets up. He's looking upfield. Number 99 gets right in there and brings him down. Hambrick wasn't able to do anything with it there.
He was looking for a place to run, but all those places were filled up with guys waiting to tackle him.
It's 3rd down, and they have a long way to go. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Dropping back, passing to his left, and he dropped it. With that drop, it's now 4th down.
Sometimes you see players try to run before they catch it. Knowing that he had to get the 1st there, he probably was thinking about where he was going before he caught the ball. Maybe that's why he dropped it.
Number 6 and the kicking team come on for this field goal attempt. The kick is up. The field goal attempt is good. A lot of plays on that drive, but they lost some of the momentum toward the end of it, and they had to settle for 3.
They were able to pick up a few 1st downs there to give their kicker a chance. He was able to do the rest to make it an effective drive.
Number 4 is just about ready to kick this one away. He gets the kick away. Brown will bring this one upfield. The Raiders take over on offense at the 28. First and 10.
Set.
Looking downfield. And he's tackled at the 30-yard line. Well, he tried to turn that one upfield, but was met with heavy resistance.
The defense didn't over-pursue on that play, and they were in great position to stop him before he got very far.
Second and 7. Ball on their own 30.
Set.
Rolls right, passing right, and he hits his target. He didn't have to make any adjustments to come up with that catch.
A few more like that, and this guy's going to be in the All-Madden team.
It's first and 10. Number 8 sets up. Dropping back. Rolling out to his left. He goes to the left side. Knight was the intended target on that pass attempt. Number 41 knocked that one down.
He tried to guide it in there, but it didn't work.
Second and 10.
Set.
He's going to throw. Number 8 throws. He finds his man. The 50. And he's brought down at the 48-yard line. ball at midfield. Drops back. And he stopped at the 39. He made the play with his feet rather than his arm there.
It's just so frustrating as a defense where a quarterback takes off and makes a play, because that's just one more thing you have to defend against.
So we've reached the end of the third quarter with the Oakland Raiders ahead of the Dallas Cowboys, 14-6. And we'll start the fourth quarter. About 2 to go. Looking to pass. Throwing. Hits his man with the pass. The 20. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 16. The receiver did a good job bringing that pass in.
You can't have a great catch without a pretty good pass. And they had both on that play.
Down inside the 15. And this is the 6th play of this drive. Looking to throw. Gets rid of it. And it's caught. Great timing on that touchdown throw.
And that's one of those passes we see a lot. When the quarterback releases it, the receiver's not even looking. But then he looks up, and the ball's right there.
It's up, and the extra point is good. And so they're able to move the ball a distance and punch it into the end zone.
The more touchdown drives, the better. Now they'll go back to the sidelines and see why they were able to beat the defense for 6. And they'll try and repeat those results the next time they get the ball.
Number 9. Looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He kicks it off. The offense ready to go again after their last possession resulted in a field goal. It's 1st and 10.
Set. One back. Watch the middle.
Looking to throw. Stepping up, throwing. Number 80 couldn't make the catch. He fires the pass, but it's overthrown.
A little less arm in the ball could have helped.
2nd and 10. Ball on their own 22. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Looking to throw. Passes it out to the left. He just can't find a way to bring that one in. Well, the quarterback did his part.
There's just no excuse for that. He's getting paid a lot of money to make those catches.
3rd and long. Hutchinson gets set.
Watch the outside.
Back to pass. Looking downfield. Passing to his right. The defense came up big on that incompletion.
This is where you have to clamp down. Play tight, keep the pressure on.
4th and 10. Number 4 is just about ready to punt this one away. Brown will head upfield with this punt. They'll head back onto the field looking to duplicate their last drive when they were able to get the ball into the end zone, basically through their passing game. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 49. Number 8 gets set. Looking to throw. Throws it. Nice connection. The 20. And he stopped at the 12-yard line. Chet tried to get all he could after that reception.
What you do after you make the catch is the name of the game. You need to find some holes, use some moves, and get as far down the field as you can.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 12-yard line. He's looking to pass. Number 8, passing to the left. Gets his hand on it. Despite good coverage, he forces the ball in there.
This guy's got to buckle down and make some better reads out there.
So it's 2nd and 10. Wheatley, the long back. He's going to throw. Rolls left. Surveying the field, passing right, so the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. Third and 10. Number 8 sets up. Quick drop. He goes to the left side. And he's brought down at the 1-yard line. A display of good concentration by the receiver.
If he can make catches like that regularly, he can expect to see more passes thrown in his direction.
So it's 1st and goal. He's looking to pass. Passes it out to the left. And this pass is completed. Quick connection for the score.
And that's a deal where the quarterback saw his opportunity, and he wasn't going to let it get away. He threw it in there in a hurry.
Set.
And it's on its way, and the extra point is good. And so they turn that drive into a great one as it ends with a touchdown.
Hey, as an offensive coach in this league, you're always making adjustments. And hopefully you can get the defense on its heels and get it in there for the touchdown. Good job by these guys.
Number 9 is back and ready to put this one in the air. He sends it off. Number 20 fields it cleanly. The Cowboys will start the drive from the 17-yard line. First and 10. Dropping back. Passes it out to the left. Nice completion. James stops him at the 22. The receiver found a hole in the secondary, and the quarterback found him with the pass.
The defense can never let up out there. This guy can make some incredible catches.
2nd and 5 coming up here. Ball on their own 22. Back to pass. Steps up into the pocket. Passing right. Bryant was the intended target. No one catches that ball.
He never looked comfortable in the pocket on that pass.
It's 3rd down and 5 to go. Ball on their own 22. Looking to throw. Throws over to his right, and he can't hang on. He just couldn't bring that one in.
I think he just took his eyes off that one.
They need 5. Ball on their own 22. Number 4 is looking for a good punt here. And he gets under it and fields it cleanly. Let's see if they can have the same sort of success on this possession that they had in their last, picking up a lot of yardage through the air on their way to a score. So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 44. 4-man front this time. He's looking to pass. Looking for an option. Number 8 lets it fly. Hits his man with the pass. And he's tackled at the 33. He zipped that ball to his receiver.
Yeah, that's what the receiver's first job is, to catch the ball. And once he has control of the ball, then he can look to stretch it for a big gain.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 33-yard line. Dropping back, rolling out to his right, looking for an option, tosses it right. He overthrew the target.
And you want to lead the receiver so that he can catch and run, but you don't want to lead him that much. They've almost got this game won, but they still need to run it to make the defense use their timeouts.
The Raiders line up in the shotgun. He's looking to pass. He's looking, throws it, and he makes the grab. Good moves and quickness to get into position to make that catch his first of the game.
First down.
They're inside the 20.
This team has been unstoppable inside the red zone today.
Looking downfield. Rolling right, surveying the field. He threw a great pass, and they get into the end zone.
The quarterback knew that he had to make that pass perfect, and he got the job done on that one.
The kick is up. The point after is good.
The kick is good.
Number 9. Looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 33 to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Wiley is on his way upfield. So the offense takes over. The last time they had the ball, they had a very tough time getting anything going.
First down may be where they try something towards the end zone, since they'll have 3 more downs to work with after that.
First and 10. With an extra DB, the defense is in the nickel. Back to pass. Passing to his right. Number 86 was the intended target. He couldn't bring that pass in.
Maybe he heard footsteps.
I doubt we'll see any blitzing from the defense from this point on. So it's second and 10. Only one man in the backfield, using motion, dropping back, gets the pass off, and he finds the open man. He's to the 40, and he's stopped at the 44-yard line. So they have first and 10 here. Ball on their own 44. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Passes it. Hits the target with the pass. The quarterback did a real good job finding his target with that pass.
That was quite a throw. This guy's been blessed with a golden arm.
The defense is trying to force a turnover, which would put an end to this game right now. It's first and 10. Hutchinson gets set. Dropping back. Throws it. Hits his man with the pass. That reception moves the chains, and they pick up a first down.
Not only does he have a powerful arm, but he also has a quick release and accuracy to go along with it.
It's first and 10. Ball on the 23-yard line. He's looking to pass. Looking for an option. Deep pass, and he can't find a way to keep possession. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. They have to move him down quickly here on second down. It's second down and 10 to go. Ball on the 23-yard line. 5th play of this drive. Man in motion. They'll go with a pass. Gets the pass off. Nice reception. He's inside the 10. Barton with the tackle at the 2-yard line. And that's now 3 tackles for him in this game. They'll pass on every play from here on out.
When you're down by more than one score and there's less than a minute left, that's all you can really do.
And this is the 6th play of this drive. Looking to throw. Hutchinson passing over to his left. Number 80 couldn't make the catch. He somehow got that pass off.
He knew he didn't have much time, and he decided to get rid of the ball quickly on that one. Okay, they got to keep throwing downfield to move the chain while keeping the clock movement to a minimum.
2nd and goal. 2 yards to the goal line. Hutchinson sets up. Looking downfield. Looking for a receiver. Number 80 was the intended target on that pass attempt, so the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. Third and goal. Four-man front this time. Back to pass. Hutchinson sends the pass away. So the pass falls incomplete in the end zone. This is 4th down and goal to go. Ball 1.5 yards out. The Cowboys use motion. On the carry. So he puts his head down and punches it in for the score.
He was like a locomotive with a full head of steam.
And it's up. And the extra point is good. Number 4 gets the team ready to try to recover this one. They're going to try to grab the onside kick. And we'll see if they can move the ball as well through the air this time as they did after scoring a touchdown on their last possession.
Any run plays in the playbook should be thrown out because they need points fast, and the only way they're going to get them is by throwing the ball.
The Cowboys line up in the shotgun. Dropping back. He's looking, passing to his right. Ismail can't come up with it on that attempt. He really felt pressure there.
He had no choice but to get rid of the ball.
So it's 2nd and 10.
Good. Watch the outside.
Looking to pass. Pass is left. And the catch is made. That was flawless execution.
That one was all about timing. The quarterback let it go, and the receiver looked back just at the right time.
The Cowboys take a timeout. That's their final timeout.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 35-yard line. Hutchinson gets set. Number 80, the man in motion. They'll go with a pass. Gets the pass off, and he hits his target. He displayed a lightning release on that pass.
As a receiver, you have to be ready for any type of pass. He did a good job of hanging on to that last one because it got there in a hurry.
So in the closing seconds, they're near the goal line, but it's too little, too late. They're inside the 15. The quarterback is back in the shotgun, using motion. He's looking to pass. Gets the pass off.
Incomplete pass intended for number 14.
Well, at least someone can pad their stats if they put this one in for the score.
Down inside the 15. Hutchinson sets up. Bryant in motion. Looking to pass. Throwing. Nice completion. He wraps him up and now has 4 tackles. And time runs out. The game is over. The final score is Oakland 35, Dallas 13. A reminder to join us next week for another exciting NFL game. This has been a presentation of EA Sports. And this is Al Michaels for our entire crew saying good night.